Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to compare two different versions of a document in Microsoft Word. So if you want to compare two different documents, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is document one here, as you can see by the name of the document up at the top. So we're going to compare it to document two. So select the review tab and go over to the right side where it says compare. Go ahead and select that button. And you can either compare two versions of the document or you can combine. So combine revisions from multiple authors into a single document. So if I go ahead and select compare here, for example, the original document is document 2 and the revised document is document 1. And you can go ahead and just select OK and select the yes button if you receive a notice for that. And you can go ahead and actually compare different changes that were made between both of the documents here and what the differences are. So pretty straightforward, and then you can go ahead and actually accept or reject different revisions here. So by accepting it, you're going and modifying the document that you're currently working on. And then once you're done with that, you can actually go ahead and just close the secondary document here. So then you just go back to having one document open. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.